Alright, so I found this stone when I was at the farm. And the thing about the farm is, like, there's soybean, there's corn, there's a whole bunch of stuff, and different soil and fertilizer gets brought in all the time. So this rock, I was just walking by and I noticed it had fossils in it. Now these fossils have been carbon dated. Oopsie, sorry about the horrible lens. There we go. They're over 100 million years old to 300 million. Everybody has their own opinions about this. I'm a girl of science, although I do believe in the divine, and I know that this is from over 2,000 years ago. I can at least say that. Carbon dating is a real scientific thing, and to be in denial about it is it's an interesting way to be. But I just think this is miraculous. I really do. I really think that these are just so beautiful. And I collect other fossils. Let me know if you want to see more videos.